Welcome to Zuzenka and the guided meditation journey. In the following meditation, you are invited to embark on a journey of deep relaxation and embracing stillness. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Close your eyes gently and take a few deep breaths. Inhaling slowly through your nose and exhaling completely through your mouth. With each breath, release any tension you may be holding, allowing your body to sink deeper into relaxation. Imagine yourself surrounded by a soft, gentle mist. Feel it enveloping you completely, washing away any stress or worries that may be clinging to you. As the mist clears, visualize yourself in a peaceful meadow, bathed in warm sunlight. Notice the vibrant colors of the wildflowers swaying gently in the breeze. Listen to the soothing sounds of nature, the chirping of birds, the buzzing of bees, the rustling of leaves. Allow these sounds to lull you into a state of deeper relaxation. Focus on your breath, feeling the rise and fall of your chest with each inhale and exhale. Imagine your breath as a gentle wave, moving slowly and rhythmically through your body. With each exhale, release any remaining tension, allowing yourself to sink deeper into stillness. Now, bring your awareness to your body. Start with your toes, wiggling them gently and releasing any tension you may be holding. Slowly move your awareness up your body, relaxing each muscle group as you go. Feel the heaviness of your limbs as they surrender to complete relaxation. Imagine a warm, golden light radiating from your core, spreading outwards to encompass your entire being. Feel this light dissolving any remaining negativity or worries. Replacing them with a sense of peace and tranquility. Spend a few moments simply basking in this feeling of stillness and serenity. Allow yourself to be present in this moment without judgment or expectation. Observe your thoughts and emotions without getting caught up in them. When you feel ready, gently begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes and take a few deep breaths. Slowly open your eyes, carrying the feeling of relaxation and inner peace with you throughout your day. Remember, you can access this state of stillness and peace anytime you need. Simply close your eyes, focus on your breath, and allow yourself to surrender to the present moment. Thank yourself for this time of self-care, and may the feeling of calm and clarity continue to guide you.